friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. I did one before and it's from Breck's. This is an online company and it's also like you can get magazines. They'll send you a catalog and you can order from the catalog. Seeds, plants, trees, all kinds of stuff. But today I have a very special rose. This is a juliachildrose rose. It's special because I love Julia Childs as a cook, and my mother's name was also Julia. This is a beautiful yellow rose, if you didn't know that. It's an award-winning floribunda. The blooms get to be about 3 to 4 inches, and it has a really sweet licorice type fragrance, and it was actually selected by Julia Childs herself, in case you didn't know that. And it's supposed to get about 2 to 3 foot high in a bush, and it has glossy dark green foliage. It is bushy, 2 to 3 foot bushy, disease resistant plant that blooms continuously from spring to fall. Now, I had one of these roses probably 20 years ago, and we did some house construction and had to move some stuff around, and it got killed. It got unalived. And this rose was the best smelling rose. It was right by my door, and when you came in, it was on my side door, and when you came in the side door, you could immediately smell it. And I have missed it ever since, so I thought I would get another one, and I did. So let's unbox. I did undo it for y'all so I don't have to struggle with it. Now, this is how it comes. I did one a couple weeks ago. I did a rose a couple weeks ago, and that rose is doing great. It's out. I put it out in my front yard on a little picket fence, and it has it's starting to get some growth on it. It's in the full sun, and I think it's gonna love it out there. So this is let's see, it's all wrapped up. Yeah. This looks really healthy. It's got the same kind of straw type packing that the last one had. Look at the roots on that bad boy. Yes, this is gonna be a good one. Julia Child Bud, that's what it's called. Now, I know this is a healthy rose right to start with. I can look and tell because it's green, it's moist, and there are buds galore. I'm gonna put you over here, put it over here closer to you, where y'all can see these buds. Do you see that? Look at the buds on that bad boy. That one's even got some little leaves on it right there. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Julia Child Rose. I already have a special spot picked out for it, and can't wait to get it in the ground. The first thing you do after you get a bare root rose, of course, is check it to make sure it doesn't have any dead on it. And if it does, before you plant it, you can always clip it off. Like here's a little dark spot. This one's a little dark, and then here's one that's a little dark. So probably what I'll do is I'll go through and I'll clip all those dark spots off. But the very first thing you do is you soak it in water. So I've got a bucket that I'm going to get out, and I'm going to soak this in some water, and tomorrow I will plant it in the ground. You don't want to let your roses sit for too awful long in water because they can get too much water. There's a little dead spot, little stem right there. It's black, and it just snapped right off. But overall, this looks great. Looks great. There's a few little things here I'm gonna pick off as I inspect it. This does have a label on it, but I've got some new labels I'm gonna put on it. I'm trying to keep up with my roses this year because last few years I didn't do a very good job of keeping up with the names. But this one looks great, y'all. So I'm gonna go soak it in some water, and I'll get it in the ground tomorrow, and I'll let y'all know its progress in the few weeks to follow. I will put some good fertilizer in the ground under it, some good rose tone, and we shall get it to going. Well, thank y'all for coming by and watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Again, Brecks. This came from Brecks, B-R-E-C-K-S. You can just go online and type in juliachildrose, and more than likely, Brecks will pop up. Alrighty. I hope y'all have a blessed night, and I will see y'all on the next video. God bless.
How you doing?